Hello everyone, welcome to Year 2, Week 11, Lesson 3, and today we're going to look at the link between dividing by 2 and finding half of a number. It also links in with the 2 times table as well. Okay, so when we divide by 2, we're sharing between 2. We can also be making 2 equal groups of 2. So for example, if I was going to find 8 divided by 2, so there are my 8 cubes. So if I divided 8 between 2, I'd be sharing them using that method into 2 equal groups because I'm sharing them between 2. So that's one group and that's my second group. So I've shared my 8 between 2 and that's what we did in our first method. Now what I've also done is I've also found half of 8. Because here my paper is divided into half to make 2 equal groups. So this is 1/2, this is 1/2. So I can say that 8 divided by 2 is 4. I also know that half of 8 is 4. It's actually the same. Let's try it with a few different numbers. So here I have 16 divided by 2. I'm going to show that in my bar model. I would be starting with 16 and it would be shared into 2 equal groups, which is actually the same as finding a half of the number. Okay, so I get my 16. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just move that up a bit, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I've divided my 16 between 2. I've also halved my 16. So how many is in 1/2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. Half, so I also know that half of 16 is 8. So actually doing the same thing. So 22 divided by 2. So that would be the same as finding half of 22. Okay. So I can keep, I've already got 16 there, so let's just count on from 16 rather than start 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So half of 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've checked it's equal. So half 22 divided by 2 is 11. So half of 22 is also 11. So we can use our halving to help us divide by 2. So let's do a few examples over here. So let's do some half facts that we know. Let's see if you can say it before I write it. Half of 6 is 3. Well done. If I know that half of 6 is 3, 6 divided by 2 is, yeah, also 3. Let's try another one. Half of 10. Can you say it quickly? Half of 10 is, well done, 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So it's using halving and dividing by 2. We can also represent that as a whole part model. So let's do this one first. So if I start with 6, if I divide 6 into 2 equal parts, 3 in that half and 3 in that half. And if I do the same with my 10, do my part model, would be 5 in each half. And this also links in with doubles. We know that double 3 is 6. We know that double 5 is 10. So there's a link there with our doubles and our multiplication. So double 3 is 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. So that's the link between the halving and the doubling, and the link between the division and the multiplication. So if half of 10 is 5, the other fact that goes with that is that double 5 is 10, and 2 times 5 equals 10. So there's lots of links there between our multiplication facts, our division facts, our halving and our doubling. Okay, so if you work through your slideshow, and I'll see you next week. Bye everyone, happy maths, bye.